Man run for a while back, the baby help me kill the snake. That man, the car culture, both flog am. Not be so. All your house say, now my wife now they change oil for generator. She's having all generator. She dey sell this generator. Now, Ebuka, you marry. Let's talk about gender role. It has to do with specific role each of these person, male and female, have in the home. And this is not just coming from sociology. The basis for gender role, the created design, I've said some of them in my teaching implicitly. The created order, the created design of man and woman. There is something a man can do the way the man is created, and there's something a woman can do the way she's created. That's why they have gender role. If you, in your house, you see snake, you say, baby, man, run for a while back, the baby help me kill the snake. That man, the car culture, both flog am. Not be so. All your house say, now my wife now they change oil for generator. She's having all generator. She dey sell this generator. Now, Ebuka, you marry. You understand what gender role is already. You have an idea. Some of the gender roles for man. The husband is the head. Leadership, authority, and responsibility rest on the man. His mandate is to love and continue loving. Even if she's stubborn, love her. It means you do right by her. You not go say because you send a message, you not go. Give him money for feeding. Say for 3 weeks you will suffer. No, that's not a Christian man. You will love her. She get coconut head. Love her. And God gave us the ones that's difficult. Men, when we have conquered, it's difficult for us to continue loving. God said you must continue to love her. Women, your mandate is to what? Submit. Submit. Ephesians chapter 5 tells us that. The man's role is to make her happy. Ephesians chapter 9 verse 9. To respect and honor her. 1 Peter 3 verse 7. Say when we don't treat our wives well, even our prayers will not be answered. Women, they're powerful. That God will not answer your prayer because of the way you treat your wife. So, husband, abeg, take care of your wife. Protect and care for her. Work hard and provide for the family. 1 Timothy 5 verse 8. Provide for her sexually. It means that if you want to go work, your wife say, honey, Alpha, I think get one. What's the man's duty? It's a need. The man must what? Provide. Now let's flip the coin. The woman's role to provide company and support. The man head the hot, bills they come. Do you know why men go outside for breeze to blow them at times? Even like radiator, make breeze they blow your brain. Head one blow. Now the woman will they rub your head, baby, it will be nice. It will be all right. You understand? They fan you so you calm down. That's companionship. Now because say you not get when I start there, I better go chop a baby, you sleep. Oh, now they think too much. Oh, so now man you be, you won't cry. Is that companionship? Our role is to love our husband, to submit. In the registry, they usually say, and submit, and submit, and submit. Most times they say it 3 times for women. To submit to him. Submission means that you may not like it. It's not how you want it, but it's how you want it. So you what? You yield. To keep the home and make the house a home. To provide food and oversee the health of the family. To meet the husband's sexual need. I said the man's own is what? To provide. The wife is what? To meet. Your husband have to say, how far now? He say, waist they pay me today. Another day, neck they pay me. Another day, ear they pay me. Your competition, they for gym house. They prepare a waist for your husband. The cry when you go cry later, now all your body go pay you at once. Your role as a wife is to meet the need. Say my husband, his libido is too much. He want your key person. He deliver every morning, afternoon, night. Me, I get scope for right. Just I run. I say I not well. All right. They plan your scope. Devil dey smile. They feed the husband for corner. Is to meet. Is our responsibility.